If I was starting my small business owner journey over today, here's exactly what I do to make sure I didn't end up broke. Hey there, Catherine here. I'm the creator of the Small Business Planner. And today we're going to talk about something that most business owners never hear early enough. And that's the fact that your financials aren't just a report. They're the story of your business. And if you can't read that story clearly, or if the numbers aren't actually telling the truth about how you operate, then you're flying blind. This is one of the most important exercises you can do for your business and for your own personal wealth as a small business owner. Here's exactly why your financial story matters. As a business owner, your numbers are not just for taxes. They're how you evaluate strategy. They can show you what's working, what's wasting money, where your next move should be. When done right, your financials show things like what your highest profit margin offer is, how much it actually costs you to deliver something, whether you can afford a new hire or your next launch. It can show you whether your pricing actually matches your profit goals. But to get there, you need clean, categorized, meaningful data. And that's where your bookkeeper comes in. Okay, small business owners, here's how to manage your bookkeeper like a CEO. If I was starting my small business owner journey over today, here's exactly what I do to make sure I didn't end up broke. Now, let me be clear first. Your bookkeeper's job is not to create a profitable strategy for you. Their job is to accurately record and categorize your transactions so that you can make smart decisions. But make no mistake about it, they need direction from you. So here's exactly what to give them and what to ask for. So take notes, but don't worry, I'm also going to link to a blog post below that gives you this exact script to use. Number 1 is a chart of accounts that actually reflects your business. You need to make sure that your income categories match your actual revenue streams. What does that mean? It means make sure that your financials are showing all the different ways in which you sell. You also want to group your expenses in a way that mirrors how you actually operate. For example, don't let them lump everything into advertising or marketing. Break it down. What are you spending on ads? What are you spending on email software? What are you spending on freelancers? How about photography and content? Giving nuance to how your strategy works is the key to seeing where your performance and opportunity really lies. It's also key to understanding where you're leaking money. The goal of this is having monthly financial reports that actually mean something. You want to ask for a monthly P&L, that's a profit and loss statement, a balance sheet, and a categorized transaction report. Then look at them. Ask, do these really reflect what happened this month? Ask yourself, can you even read it? Are there glaring issues? You already know your business best. And frankly, respectfully, they don't. They can't. So don't be shy to give feedback or ask for help. You can send a bulleted list of comments. You can write your comments directly in the spreadsheet they send you in a new column. If you want to go above and beyond for you and your business's benefit, you can record a Loom video going through this report and asking genuine questions that come up for you when you're looking at the financials. What this means for you is that with very little effort and presence of mind, you can ensure that your business financials are actually ready for you. Ready to help you make decisions, ready to justify your next move to yourself or to someone like your business partner, ready to invest more. It can help you be ready to pay yourself more or differently. And it can also help you understand if you're ready for funding. You'll also want to have quarterly reviews together. Schedule a 30-minute call each quarter to review trends. Ask them, what looks off here? Is anything missing or miscategorized? Do you need more input from me? What should we adjust? What questions do you have for me? What should my next quarterly tax payment be? Are there any areas that jump out to you as my bookkeeper for good or bad reasons? Those are the types of questions you want to get comfortable asking of your bookkeeper. The goal of this and what this means for you is you begin to own your numbers. And once you do that, you own the story of your business growth. Even if you hate spreadsheets or even if you don't understand accounting, this is your business. You don't need to do the bookkeeping, but you do need to lead it. Here's why this matters to you as a small business owner. When your numbers tell a clear story, everything gets easier. You can make pricing decisions faster. You can know what you can afford to do. You don't panic at tax time. And most importantly, you start to feel powerful running your business instead of confused when you look at these reports. This is part of what I teach inside the Small Business Planner. Not just how to organize your business, but how to understand it. You're not here to run numbers all day, but you are here to run a business. And I promise this gets easier the moment your financials start talking back to you. If this hits home and you want help setting up that structure, come join us. Everything I teach is built to help small business owners stop guessing and start growing. I linked some resources below this video. I hope you'll find them helpful, and I hope you'll start to lead yourself and your bookkeeper toward the future that you and your business deserve. I'm Catherine. This is the Small Business Planner. We are your destination for small business support. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.